Hi kabahay, looking for a property investment here in Silang, Cavite. This is nearby Tagaytay City, kaya kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng single detached property, this is Luciana model with a lot area of 176 square meters and floor area of 174.66 square meters. Meron ka ng 4 bedrooms, 2 carport, 3 toilet and bath and family area. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So makikita nyo sa Luciana model, meron itong malaking frontage. This is the main door. This is the access naman papunta sa ating parking area. So the parking area is covered dahil sa ating malaking balcony. And then the flooring is made of pebbles and tiles. Meron tayong service area dito sa ating likod ng ating property. Silipin natin si Luciana model. So upon entering mga kabahay, meron tayong malaking living area. On this side naman is the dining area. This is the access papunta sa ating lanay area. Here is the kitchen area. So sa kitchen area, meron tayong bar countertop. Meron tayong kitchen countertop made from granite. May access door papunta sa service area. And meron tayo ditong isang powder room. This one naman is the bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So dito sa bedroom number 1, ang good thing dahil meron itong sariling toilet and bath. So kung kayo po ay merong elders na kasama or PWD, hindi sila mahihirapan magsimula. So the staircase is made of solid wood and concrete. Meron tayong fixed window for natural lighting. And then the chandelier area. We have total of 3 bedrooms here sa second floor. This is the bedroom number 1. So dito sa bedroom number 1, as you can see, kasya ang single size bed. And ang good thing, meron tayong sariling access sa shared balcony. Bedroom number 2. So same as bedroom number 1, meron itong access papunta sa ating shared balcony, kaya ang single size bed. On this area naman is the shared toilet and bath. Check naman natin ang ating master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom, kasya dito up to queen size bed. And ang good thing, meron tayo ditong master's toilet and bath with walk-in closet. So sa second floor mga kabahay, meron tayong family area. So dito sa family area, pwede kayong maglagay ng entertainment showcase dito. And then may access ito papunta sa ating malaking balcony area. If you're interested to view Luciana model, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.